Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at the ROCKBROS bench mount repair stand for bicycles. I got it on Amazon. It was $33 and I thought for that price it's worth a shot. So I'm going to open it together with you guys and do a first test to see what it's like. Okay, that's looks like that goes. That's gonna mount down on the workbench. I went with the bench mount repair stand versus the larger like triangle one, just because the garage is small and I'm not gonna be using this all the time. I hope not, right? Like I don't want to have to be using it. If I'm using it, there's probably a problem, right? So that's why I went with this model and the price tag, right? There's the clamp. Not bad looking, I suppose. A little, I don't know. Not a bad clamp, I don't think. Just nervous about how long it'll last, right? What's the longevity of something that's fairly inexpensive. Got the screws. We are going to start putting it together. So I guess it'll probably go something like this. Mount it right there, you think? Maybe the bike can be over here. I guess I can always move it if it's not right. So I think I'll drill some holes right here. See what happens. Gonna make a couple quick marks so I know where to drill. I can't find my punch, but isn't that what old screwdrivers are for? Make my marks. Okay. Didn't say what size drill bit to use, but normally I wouldn't even use these little inserts that they want you to put in. I just run the screws in and hope for the best, but I'm gonna try and do it exactly the way they want me to put it together. So I'm gonna shoot for something smaller. It fits inside here. This is, hold on, 5/16 drill bit. I don't know, start small. If I need to go bigger, then I will. So yeah, 5/16. Looks like it does the trick. Okay, now we have to put the screws in to actually hold it to the workbench. Okay, feels pretty sturdy. We'll see. I can get the bike on it. Who knows? So far, so good. Slide that in there. They're a little twist. It's got a clamp just like quick release, like on your seat post or your wheels on your bike. Pretty simple. This way you can kind of change the angle. You know, I guess that's a nice feature that it's not rigid. Switch the angle of your bike however you need it. I think I'm ready to put the bike on. Let's check it out. Okay. That is not gonna work. First attempt fail. I pulled it up. So I'm gonna need something a little bit stronger to hold that on the back. Stay tuned. I'm gonna see what happens if I just run the screws in like I wanted to originally without those inserts, just hammer down on them. See if that'll hold. All right, that's round 2. See how it goes. It's holding it now. Should have just went with my gut instinct and ran them into the wood, but had to try it. That's my verdict with that. Don't use those. Could be just my workbench though. So Yeah, that's cool. Like I said, I hope not to be using it too much, but this would be good for like cleaning it off and doing tire changes and stuff. So, I don't know, not bad for 33 bucks. Guess it's alright. We'll see how long it lasts. Pretty cool. Spinning it around. Put my seat in there. Seat post. Oh, not gonna fit. What if I do? Oh, I could do something like that. Hold on. Right about like this. Okay. Tighten her up. That's not bad either. Something along that route. And then, that way I can loosen this up. Just spin it around. Do what I need to do. I was a little worried that like I can't get on this side of the bike though. But I just have to flip it around or squeeze in here. I suppose I could move my tool cart out of the way, but turn the bars this way. Get to the front wheel. I think it's cool. Not bad. So that's my ROCKBROS benchtop repair stand. I'll check in with you guys in a couple months. Make sure it's still working. Who knows? So far so good. Thanks for coming along, checking this out with me. Show you a little better view of the powder coat. Yeah. Looks nice. So there it is. Not too shabby. This would have came in handy when I was doing that, putting those pieces on the other day. So when I'm not using it, I can just either slide it in out of the way, like that, or I suppose I could even take it apart. You know, I'll probably end up losing this somewhere, but could flip it around backwards so it's not hanging out here. So I can save space that way. Before I go real quick, I want to show you something I got from a friend. Hang on one second. So in Pennsylvania, there's this company called Tubular Gear, right? And these bags, they have all kinds of different variety of items that you can get that are made out of old bike tubes. And so obviously I had to have one, right? And I'm going to use it to put like my little repair kit with my, you know, tube patches in it and my little Allen wrenches, and I'm gonna put it in this. So now I can get rid of this little hokey thing, right? Get my air pump, my patches, get all that stuff in there. I just wanted to share that with you guys, how freaking cool this is. Different colors, all kinds of different stuff. There's a website up. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check out what they have to offer, but how cool. Again, thanks for coming by. I'll see you guys later. See ya!